Come with us through every gate to From Me to English.
Emma, I did something strange today.
Strange? What did you do, Tom?
I changed one small habit,
One small habit? What habit?
a habit I do every morning.
Every morning? That sounds important.
Yes, I do it every day.
Tom, habit means something you do again and again.
Again and again. Every day. A habit.
Good. So what did you change?
I did not touch my phone.
You did not touch your phone?
Yes, not one time.
Wow, that is very different for you.
Yes, very different.
How did you feel?
At first, I felt strange.
Strange means not normal for you.
Yes, not normal for me.
And then?
Then I felt quiet.
Quiet. What does quiet mean?
Quiet means not noisy, not busy.
Good. So your morning was quiet.
Yes, very quiet.
What did you do instead of your phone?
I stood near the window.
You stood near the window?
Yes, I looked at the sky.
The sky?
Yes, the sky above my head.
How long did you stand there?
Only 1 minute.
1 minute is very short.
Yes, very short, but very different.
Different how?
My head felt light.
Light means not heavy.
Yes, not heavy.
How about your body?
My body felt slow.
Slow means not fast.
Yes, not fast.
Is slow good for you?
In the morning, yes,
Why is it good?
because I am not in a rush.
Rush means you do things very fast.
Yes, too fast.
So this small habit made you slow down.
Yes, it made me slow down.
How did your heart feel?
My heart felt calm.
Calm means not nervous.
Yes, not nervous.
Did you like that feeling?
Yes, I liked it.
Was it easy for you?
No, it was not easy,
Why was it not easy?
because I wanted to touch my phone.
You wanted to touch it very much?
Yes, my hand moved by itself.
By itself means without thinking.
Yes, without thinking.
But you stopped your hand.
Yes, I stopped it.
That is not easy, Tom.
Yes, it was a small fight.
A fight inside your mind.
Yes, inside my mind.
And you won this small fight.
Yes, for 1 minute.
1 minute is enough for today.
Yes, enough for today.
So one small habit changed your morning feeling.
Yes, one small habit.
That is interesting, Tom.
Yes, I think so too.
Let's talk more about this habit.
Okay, I want to share more. Part 2. This one habit followed me all day. Emma, this small habit stayed with me all day.
All day? Not only in the morning?
Yes, all day.
How did it stay with you?
I thought about that 1 minute again and again.
Again and again?
Yes, many times.
Why did you think about it so much?
Because it felt different from my normal day.
Different means not the same.
Yes, not the same as before.
What was different in your day?
My head was not so noisy.
Noisy means many sounds, many thoughts.
Yes, many thoughts.
So your head was more quiet.
Yes, more quiet.
How did that help you?
I could look at people more.
Look at people more?
Yes, I did not look at my phone all the time.
At all the time means every moment.
Yes, every moment.
So you looked at real people.
Yes, real people.
How did that feel?
It felt strange at first.
Strange again?
Yes, but then it felt warm.
Warm means nice in your heart.
Yes, nice in my heart.
Did your work change too?
Yes, a little.
A little how?
I did one thing at a time.
One thing at a time means not many things together.
Yes, not many things, just one.
That is called focus, Tom.
Focus means I put my mind in one place.
Very good.
Before, my mind ran everywhere.
Ran everywhere means not calm.
Yes, not calm.
And now?
Now my mind walks, not runs.
Walks means slow.
Yes, slow.
Do you like that speed?
Yes, I like it more than before.
Why do you like it?
Because I feel inside my day.
Inside your day? What does that mean?
It means I feel my own time.
Your own time, not fast time.
Yes, not fast time.
That sounds important, Tom.
Yes, but it was not perfect.
Not perfect? What happened?
Sometimes I forgot the habit.
Forgot means you did not remember.
Yes, I did not remember.
How did you feel when you forgot?
I felt a little sad.
Sad because you wanted to do better.
Yes, I wanted to keep it.
Keep means continue,
Yes, continue every day.
but you forgot sometimes.
Yes, I forgot.
Is that okay for you?
Now I think it is okay.
Why is it okay?
Because I remember again later.
Later means after some time.
Yes, after some time.
So you fall and you come back.
Yes, I come back.
That is also part of a habit, Tom.
To fall and to come back.
Yes, that is a real habit.
A real habit is not perfect.
Right, it is alive.
Alive means it moves with me.
Yes, with your life.
Emma, I feel my day is softer now.
Softer means not hard inside.
Yes, not hard.
That is a beautiful change, Tom.
Yes, from one small minute.
From one quiet minute.
Yes, one quiet minute only.
And it follows you all day.
Yes, all day long. Part 3. Emma's quiet habit nobody talks about. Emma, you talk about my habit a lot.
Yes, I do.
What about your habit?
My habit is very small.
Very small. What is it?
I drink tea every afternoon.
Drink tea? Only drink tea?
Yes, only that.
That sounds very simple.
It is simple, but important to me.
Important how?
Because I stop for 1 minute.
Stop means not move?
Yes, not move, not rush.
Do you think when you drink tea?
No, I only feel the cup.
Feel the cup?
Yes, warm cup, warm hands.
Warm means not cold.
Yes, not cold.
Do you look at your phone then?
No, I look at the sky.
The sky again.
Yes, the sky is always there.
How long do you do this?
Only 1 minute.
Only 1 minute, too.
Yes, like your habit.
Why only 1 minute?
Because 1 minute is easy to keep.
Keep means do it every day.
Yes, every day.
Do you feel calm after that?
Yes, my heart feels soft.
Yes, not hard inside.
So your habit is small, but deep.
Yes, small and deep.
I like that.
I like your habit too.
2 small habits.
Yes, 2 quiet habits.
Quiet habits for quiet days.
Yes, for quiet days. Part 4. The soft lesson I learned from one small habit. Emma, I think my day feels different now.
Different how, Tom?
I feel more inside my time.
Inside your time means you feel your own day,
Yes, my own day.
not the fast day, not the loud day.
Yes, not fast, not loud.
How about your body
My body feels the same.
and your mind?
My mind feels lighter.
Lighter means not heavy.
Yes, not heavy.
Do you feel proud?
Not proud, just calm.
Calm means not nervous.
Yes, not nervous.
Is that enough for today?
Yes, it is enough.
Enough means not too much.
Yes, not too much.
Do you want to change many habits now?
No, only one is good.
Only one habit for today.
Yes, one is easy to keep.
Keep means do it again and again.
Yes, again and again.
So your life does not change fast.
No, it changes slowly.
Slowly, but every day.
Yes, every day.
Habits do not shout, Tom.
They speak very quietly.
Quietly, but they stay.
Yes, they stay with me.
And your life follows them.
Yes, my life follows my habits.
That is the soft lesson today.
Yes, a soft lesson.
Thank you for sharing your habit, Tom.
Thank you for listening, Emma.
See you next time.
Yes, next time.